All right, shifting focus to another issue between the BJP and the DMK is the delimitation row, which has now escalated. Now, the DMK party delegation is meeting with BRS working president KT Rama Rao at this point. Let me go back to my colleague Purnima Murli on this. Purnima, big meeting is of course scheduled on March 22nd, and ahead of that there are multiple states where the DMK delegation is going and meeting people. But interestingly, when we talk about the BRS, what has been their stand? Because so far we know that the BJD is with the DMK on this, but what about KT Rama Rao? What about BRS? What is their stand on this?
Well, BRS and KT Rama Rao also is of the view that yes, delimitation exercise, if they take into consideration population, then southern states, primarily states like Telangana, states like Tamil Nadu will be impacted. They may lose constituencies. That's the kind of sentiments that are prevailing high, not just in Tamil Nadu, but even in Telangana, which is why today KT Rama Rao will be meeting the DMK delegation comprising of a minister as well as an MP. They've been traveling across the country to rope in and garner support of other parties as well. So today, BRS and the DMK meeting is scheduled to take place at 6:30 p.m. at the BRS office in Telangana. So all eyes on that. But sources say that KT Rama Rao will also be giving his nod for the March 22nd meeting. It started on Monday when Naveen Patnaik, in fact, said that his party would support the fair delimitation exercise that's initiated by the DMK. Yesterday, in fact, there were two delegations. One met with Jagan Mohan Reddy, who also said his party will be attending the meeting. They then met the Karnataka Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and today all eyes on that meeting, which is scheduled to take place at 6:30. But DMK is planning to spearhead this, and initial focus was on South, but now they are also trying to rope in states like Odisha, West Bengal, and Punjab.
All right. Many thanks, Purnima, for getting us all those details. So, Purnima is reporting that in all probability, BRS is also going to be on board against the delimitation.